Hi guys, today we will explain about how to schedule post on Instagram PC. So let's get started. For this, you don't have to download the Instagram application in your computer because we can do it in the PC browser. So that's why I open my PC browser, and in the search bar you have to write Meta Business Suite Instagram login. So write it like me, and you can see here is my search result, Meta Business Suite Instagram login. Tap on it, and here is my search result. Tap on this first option, Facebook Business, and here you can see the option log in with Facebook and log in with Instagram, because we will schedule a post on Instagram. So that's why I'm tapping on the option log in with Instagram, because my account was already logged in, so that's why it did not ask to write password and ID. Now time to schedule a post. Tap on the option create post, and here select your media by tapping on this option add photo or video, and upload your media from your computer by tapping on this option upload from desktop. Just for example, I upload this media. Now scroll down. Here, if you want to write something for your post, then write, but I will let it be as it is. Now scroll down, and here you can find the option schedule. Tap on it, scroll down more, and here you have to select date by tapping on this option, and you can see I select 9 September, and here is the time. Tap on it and set your time, and I set date 9 September and time 12 a.m. Now tap on this option schedule, and now tap on the option done, and you can see my post has been scheduled on Instagram PC, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.